Hello and welcome to Advanced Driving Tuition. In this video, we're going to talk about routine we normally use. It's called MSM routine. Mirror, signal and maneuver routine. And that's the routine. You have done that in your theory as well. Lots of times there's a theory question they ask you MSM routine, mirror, signal, maneuver routine. So the three letters, mirrors, signal and maneuver. But when we use as a teacher or as an instructor, when we start teaching our students how to do it, mirrors, M is for the mirrors. So we look in the mirrors before we move. Give a signal if we need to. And then M, we break into three more pieces. We call P, S and L. So mirror, signal, position, speed and look. So every time you're driving, so these are 5 things you need to do when you're stopping the car, when you're approaching the junction, when you're turning left, when you're turning right somewhere, when you're approaching the roundabout. These are maneuvers, these are routine you need to remember. So suppose if I ask you to stop on the left hand side, if I'm driving with my student, if I ask them to stop on the left hand side, first thing they need to be looking is the center mirror and the left mirror. Then they give a signal, then they start positioning themselves where they're stopping, and then they need to slow down with the speed, and then they look to stop where they're stopping. Is it safe for me to stop there or not? So MSPSL routine. So mirror, signal, position, speed and look. So every time you're driving and you need to stop somewhere, if you're turning on the side street there somewhere, we look in the mirror, center mirror and the left mirror to start with. We give signal. If we see someone's behind, we need to let them know what our attention is. So we give a signal left. We start positioning to the left hand side. As my theory asked me again, do not go close to the curb too much. 1 meter length you have to be moving away from when you're turning left there. So you stay 1 meter away from the curb. Why? Because if you go more closer to the curb, there's more chance that you will be collided with the curb. You will clip the curb, you will hit the curb. So anything can happen when you go close to the curb there. So when you're turning, make sure your position is good. You're moving away or you're staying away 1 door length away or 1 meter away. Door length is a 1 meter away. So door length away from the curb or 1 meter away from the curb. Then you need to start slowing down when you're turning. Depending on the turn, how wide and how narrow the turn is. Sometimes you can do in a second gear, but sometimes you can't do in a second gear. You have to be slowing down there. So then look in the mirror. So last look before you turn, you have to look into the left wing mirror. What we're looking there, we're looking for the cyclist. If you see in the wing mirror there's a cyclist coming up, you need to stop for them, because the cyclist going straight and you turning left, so whoever's going straight will have a priority. So you have to see if there's a cyclist there, the cyclist is a hazard for you, then you need to stop the car and let them go first. But if you think the cyclist is slowing down or asking me to go, or if the cyclist is way too far for me, then okay to turn there. But if you don't see any cyclists, obviously it's clear for me to go anywhere. So every time you're turning left, last time I done a video where it says POM, so preparation, observation and move. But this time, that routine was when you're moving off. But this time we're stopping when we're turning. So you have to do the mirrors to start with, signal, then position, then slow down, change the gear if you need to, and then look. So mirror, signal, position, speed and look. MSPSL routine. That's what you need to remember. Even driving, if you're driving with the driving instructor or if you're driving yourself, you need to remember this sequence: mirror, signal, position, speed and look. That routine you use every time you're turning somewhere. MSM routine by breaking into the last 3, which position, speed and look. Mirror, signal, position, speed and look. What can happen if you don't look in the mirror? Can be a fault in the test. What happen if your position is not right? Fault in the test. What happen if you don't give a signal? Fault in the test. And what happen if you not look in the mirror and there's a cyclist there? So the fault in the test. So every time you're turning, make sure you do the MSPSL routine before you turn anywhere, before you stop anywhere, and then when you have stopped, obviously you do the POM routine, which is preparation, observation and move. Hope you like the video. MSPSL routine every time you do it. Hope you like the video. Like and share it and let me know if you want me to make any more topic you want me to cover. Thank you. Bye.